Looking to add a primary beneficiary to your iTrustCapital account? Keep watching to find out how to do so. In your dashboard, select the Account Options tab. Then, click on Manage Primary Beneficiaries. In the Primary Beneficiaries section, click Add Primary Beneficiary. Next, fill out the following fields with any necessary information. If your primary beneficiary is your spouse, you may click Continue to move on to the next section. However, if you reside in a community property state and your primary beneficiary is not your spouse, you will need to upload a signed spousal consent form. Please print out this document, sign, and upload it back to the site. Once all other information is filled out, you may click Continue to move on to the next section. In the Directive section, you must select one of two options. Option A, your primary beneficiary passes before you, their percentage will automatically be passed on to the remaining beneficiary or beneficiaries. Option B, your primary beneficiary passes before you, their percentage will carry down to their child or a person or people of the same class. After making your selection, please make sure that all your information is correct on the following page. Check the box agreeing to the terms and press Continue. A pop-up will appear confirming the update to your account. Please note that if you decide to exit out of the page during the process, all information will be lost and unsaved. You can always go back and edit or remove your primary beneficiary later if needed. If you have additional questions or need assistance, do not hesitate to contact us through our support page or give us a call. Our team is here to help.